Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a quick little art journaling mixed media project that I created in one of my notebooks using the Mintay Happy Times collection. To begin with, I started with a blank notebook and I just added some clear gesso all over the page. Then I sprayed the page with some Gesso craft misting sprays and spread them out with a foam brush. I added a little bit of water to push the colour around on the page. I finished off the misting sprays with just a little spray without smoothing it all down, so it's got that speckled look. I then went about with some of my favourite stamps to add some stamped images and patterns to my background page. I like this polka dot one. I wanted to use this hammock. These were just some fussy cut pictures from Mintay's Happy Time collection that were leftovers and just waiting to be used. But the pictures are really, really sweet. They added some script writing and a little oval frame. I wanted the title Grateful on my page, but the acrylic block sort of didn't work well with the spiral binding of the notebook, so I just had to make sure that the stamp was positioned right at the edge of the acrylic block. I added some roller skates. And this was off the sticker sheet, just a little camera in a circle. So I just had fun layering some leftover pictures onto my page, and then I just took a black writing pen to go around the edges roughly of the images. And this wasn't done in a perfect manner, this is just done in a rough outlining manner. Going around the sticker. And going around the border of the whole page. I wanted a focal point, so I used a quote from one of my stamps. Then I just added some love hearts onto the center of the page, a little leaf and a bit of an extra spray there to color that leaf, and a few little white sprays on top. And that was the page finished. I loved creating this. It was so healing and enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.